Grade assignments offline so you have the flexibility to evaluate and leave feedback for learners on your own time. This tutorial shows how to download and grade learners' submissions offline before providing online feedback. From Assignments, click the assignment that you want to grade. Then, click Submissions. Navigate to the submitted files and select all of them. Click Download to generate a zip file that contains all of the submissions. Then, click the file to download it to your device. Click Close. Unzip the file to access the submission files. Learners can submit files in a variety of formats. Inform your learners of your preferred submission file format. This helps ensure that you can grade files using your preferred software. Grade the submission files and save your changes to the file. When you are ready to provide your learners with the evaluation, return to the assignment in Assignments. Note: you can also bulk upload the graded submissions back to the appropriate assignment so they appear as attachments to learners' submission evaluation. Upload the graded submissions with the file names exactly the same as when downloaded and index file in a zip file to ensure the automatic distribution process runs smoothly. For this example, click a learner's submission to provide feedback. In the Evaluation section, provide the learner with the score they achieved on the assignment. Then, navigate to Feedback. Click Add a file to attach your graded submission file. Click My Computer. Upload your file by clicking Upload or dragging and dropping the file onto the upload target. To confirm the upload, click Add. Click Save Draft to save feedback and continue grading submissions, or Publish to release your feedback to the learner. When you publish feedback, if the folder is associated with a grade item, the grade will also be pushed to the gradebook. Note: as you grade each submission, you can click Previous Student or Next Student to browse to other submissions. Grade assignments offline so you have the flexibility to evaluate and leave feedback for learners on your own time.